Hi everyone, Mr. Shorn here. I want to go a little bit deep with you on how to do area word problems, especially when they involve fractions. So these are very much like problems we've been doing this week and last. Let's take a look-see. Okay. We have a problem here. Jeremy was planning to install carpet in his bedroom. He remembers that the room is 8.5 feet long and that the area of the room is 68 square feet. How wide is Jeremy's room? Okay. Begin with what you already know. All right, you have some information there. You know that the room has certain dimensions. It's 8.5 feet long, but you don't know how wide it is, but you do know the area. So you know that the area of a rectangle, which is what we think Jeremy's room probably is the length times the width. So when you have any geometry problem, draw a diagram. We're going to draw a diagram. There we go. There's a rectangle. This is Jeremy's room. 8.5 feet long. The area is 68 feet. I'm leaving it 68 feet squared, so that's actually needs to be good. 68 square feet squared, same deal. And we don't know how wide it is. Okay, now, what we're going to do, we're going to do an easier problem first, all right? Let's say it's 10 feet long and 20 feet in the area. We don't know, all right? So I've got this different problem now. It's 10 feet long. Area is 20 feet, okay? So watch what we're going to do. We're going to go and say the area's length times width. 20 feet squared equals 10 feet times the width, all right? So 10, basically, you can do this in your head. 10 feet times what is equal to 20? And we can see that we can divide 20 feet squared by 10 feet, and we're going to get the width, which comes out to be 2 feet, all right? So what can we do? We can say, okay, we can just rearrange the problem into something that helps us. Okay, so we can solve that pretty easily. Let's go back to the original problem. So we've got the same diagram again, back to 68 feet squared. Area equals length times width. 68 feet squared equals 8.5 feet times the width. 68 feet divided by 8.5 feet is going to be the width. All right, now let's do the math, do the number crunch. We got our plan. 68 divided by 8.5. Make it into 17 halves. Make it into multiplying by the reciprocal, 2 17ths. Get 136 divided by 17. You get 8. And make sure that we have our units there. Let me move the label over here. We get 8. 8 what? 8 feet. There's 8 feet over there. So that's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. If you follow this, it should make sense to you. When you see solving other problems that are like this, might have different numbers, or they're looking for the length instead of the width, or both the area and one of the dimensions has fraction pieces to it, but you can handle it. Okay, good luck.